What's up guys, it is Sarah at Scentbox, and today we got a package from Scentbird that we're going to be covering. I feel like it's been a while since I've actually done a Scentbird package, so we're going to go ahead and dive into it. We got 3 different fragrances this month. All of these are unisex, so male, female, you can give them a try either way. Now this first one that we have is Scents of Wood, Cedar, and Acacia. Now I have tried Scents of Wood, the Sandalwood and Oak, and it is such a good scent. I really like that one. I don't like this one, the Cedar and Acacia, as much as that one, but it is still right up that alley. It's really woody vibes. Definitely a good fall scent, I would say, which is perfect because, you know, fall's right around the corner. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is what the bottle would look like if you were to purchase the full thing. And then on the back we have the description: enfolding sun-kissed amber, dances with untamed sparks of ginger, barrel-aged in acacia. And our keynotes are cedar, ginger oil, cinnamon bark, cypriol heart, and orris concrete. So, like I said, with the cinnamon, the ginger, you kind of get the fall vibes. You know, with the wood, definitely a fall scent. I really like it though. I definitely think these Scents of Wood are definitely neat, and like I said, they're all unisex. I actually didn't know that the Scents of Wood were unisex at first, so it made a whole lot of sense when I found that out, because I especially love the Sandalwood and Oak. I think that's really good, clean. It's a little bit lighter than the Cedar and Acacia, I would say, so it's just, I don't know, it's really nice. I like it a lot. Definitely recommend that one. Now the second one that we have is by the Harmonist. It is Hypnotizing Fire. So this one's a little bit more kind of spicy. I would say it has a little bit more of masculine tones, but you can still swing it both ways. Honestly, I would still wear it. It's just a little spicier, a little muskier. I also think this is more of a fall scent, but like I said, that's perfect with fall coming up. So definitely going to be getting some use out of this one soon, between me and my husband both. And this is what the full bottle would look like. It's just a sleek little black bottle. And then on the back we have the description. Hypnotizing Fire is a seductive fragrance that nurtures the wearer like a gentle flame. The mellow sensuality of Madagascan vanilla and benzoin is enriched by the subtle notes Bulgarian rose, Indonesian patchouli, and pimento berries, harvested under the Jamaican sun. Warm and glowing, it's an enchanting yin scent that revives and restores. So the keynotes here are pimento berries, Bulgarian rose, patchouli, praline, and vanilla. So yeah, like I said, with the praline, the vanilla, the patchouli, you can definitely see the fall vibes there. Good scent though. I like that all these are unisex. It's cool. Switch it up a little bit. You know, me and my husband can both use everything from this package this month, so that's really neat. I also believe that the Harmonist fragrances are a limited time. There's only so many, so you know, if you want to give them a try, definitely do that before they're all gone. So last scent that we have is also by the Harmonist, another unisex fragrance. This one is Guiding Water. This is more of like a summery scent. You can definitely smell the aquatic notes in it, as well as, I don't know, like a breezy, light, clean, watery smell. And the bottle looks just the same as the other one. And on the back we have the description. Guiding Water is a calming fragrance that restores the wearer like the dew that dapples blossoms in the morning light. The aquatic freshness of ozonic accord and pink peppercorn are paired with the bouquet of cyclamen, jasmine, and fleur de lis. Fluid and subtle, it's a delicate yin scent that awakens and refines. And keynotes, we have watermelon, aquatic notes, jasmine, leaf flower, and white musks. So it is a little musky, but yeah, with the watermelon, the aquatic notes, I think it's definitely like a summer or a spring scent. Really nice though, it's really clean. I can see myself and my husband both wearing all these, like I said, so it's really cool to get a package where it's not just strictly cologne or strictly perfume. We can both use them. That pretty much sums it up for this package. Definitely some good unisex scents here. I definitely recommend Scentbird or Scentbox, either one, to be completely honest. They're both really good subscription services. The whole point behind them is awesome. You don't have to spend a ton of money on just one bottle of cologne or perfume. You can get a good sample size of a fragrance for a fraction of the cost, and you can try a good variety. And we have tons of perfume and cologne from doing Scentbird and Scentbox both. So it's definitely awesome. It's something fun to look forward to every month. If you want to try it out, you can get a free scent when you sign up using the link, and I will also get a free scent. And if you do decide to use the link, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know, because I'd love to be able to thank you properly, first of all. And I'd like to know what you decide to get. You can choose your fragrances. It's not like it's a surprise every month. Some people think that it is, and that's why they don't really want to try it. But you do get to pick your fragrances. It's really cool. And then you don't have a huge bottle that you might not like. It's just a sample size. And you can also exchange for free. If you don't like it at all and you just want to send it back, you can do that. So definitely recommend checking them out. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.